Hello everyone, welcome to all in my channel Management HRM Resources Archive. Here we'll try to know about a different basic concept of a management as what the managers of an organizations, what is management and concept of management. In this slide, we'll try to know what is management. Before discussion about management, just we have to know who are the managers of an organization. Basically, managers are responsible for the process of getting activities completed efficiently with and through other people and setting and achieving the firm's goal through execution of four basic management functions like planning, organizing, leading and controlling. On the other hand, a manager is a person who plans, organize, direct and control the allocation of all human resources like material, financial and informational resources. A manager is a person who manages or is in charge of something of an organization. Actually, manager whose primary responsibilities is to carry out the management process. So, a manager is someone who coordinates and oversees the work of other people so that organizational goals can be accomplished. A manager's job is not about personal achievement, it's about helping others to do their work. So, we can say managers are the people in the organization responsible for developing and carrying out this management process. Now we'll try to know what is management in different perspective. Like according to Peter Drucker, who is called management guru, he said management is a distinct process of planning, organizing, actuating and controlling performed to determine and accomplish stated objective with the use of human beings and other resources. We'll try to know about others' definition of management. Management is a set of activities including planning and decision making, organizing, leading and controlling, directed at an organization's resources, human, financial, physical and information, with the aim of achieving organizational goals in an efficient and effective manner. This definition is given by Ricky Griffin. That means management is the consist of planning, organizing, leading and controlling that helps to direct an organizations to achieve the common goals and to maintain different resources like human resource, financial resource, physical resource and so on. Another is management is the art of securing maximum result with minimum effort so as to get maximum prosperity and happiness for both employer and employee and give public the best possible services. Also, we see other expert, they have given their definition on the basis of management according to their opinion. According to Harold Kuntz, management is an art of getting things done through and with the people in formally organized groups. It is an art of creating an environment in which people can perform an individual and can cooperate towards attainment of group goals. According to F.W. Taylor, Frederick Winslow Taylor, management is an art of knowing what to do, when to do, and see that it is done in the best and safest way. Actually, management involves coordinating and overseeing the work activities of others so that their activities are completed efficiently and effectively. We already know that coordinating and overseeing the work of others is what distinguishes a managerial position from a non-managerial one. Concept of management. Here we'll try to know the basic concept of management. That means management consists manage, man and T. Here T means tactfully or timely. That means when a manager manages man with tactfully and timely, that is called management. Beside, other concepts are here as per the traditional concept and modern concept. If we want to know what is traditional concept in case of management and modern concept of management, these are: traditional concept is concerned with the art of getting things done through others, and modern concept basically achieve goal effectively and efficiently. So there is a difference. Traditional concept is concerned with art of getting things done through others. Here is no effective and efficient way to achieve goals for the organization of a manager. But in case of modern concept, there is involved every manager should perform different activities effectively and efficiently to achieve goal of the organization within specified time. However, traditional management system focus on goals and objectives that the senior management of the company establish. So the management is doing the work not only in cost effective way without wastage of resources, but also within time. This is the concept of modern management. On the other hand, modern concept, to achieve the organizational goal, every manager should do the work effectively and efficiently within the specified time. Therefore, management is the combination of all the functions of management to get the goal of the organization. These are the basic concept of management in the perspective of traditional concept and modern concept. Thank you for your watching.